What's up, guys? Looks like I just got a new package, and this will be an addition to my home lab. And as you can see, it came from the Netherlands, so this should be my ripe probe. I'm going to open it right now and show you what's inside. So as you can see, there it is. See something that looks like a business card. Some instructions on how to register the probe. Just dump everything here. And this is the probe. As you can see, the power cord. So this is what I will be adding to my home lab today. I just want to show you the unboxing of a ripe probe. It's surprisingly small, and I think I can use power over Ethernet on it. So that's going to be very interesting. I haven't done this, and I applied a month ago and they just shipped it to me, so my lab must have impressed them. Otherwise, guys, stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll be showing you how to set this ripe probe, and also hopefully I'll show you the dashboards and the information that I'll be getting. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.